Hey guys, so we're finally done. Had a lot of side projects while doing this house. But yeah, I'm sure you remember what it looked like. So we'll start in the living room. Got, of course, painted the door, all walls, ceilings. We got brand new hardwood, brand new baseboard. Did all blinds, put in the vents. Came out pretty nice. All right, so the kitchen, of course, we did tile, brand new vents, baseboard, painted all walls, painted those cabinets, ceilings, actually painted the countertops as well. Added a brand new oven hood. Everything's been painted. Still needs to be clean, but my job's done. Go down the hallway where we extended the tile, did baseboard, paint, turned into the laundry room where we connected the tile. Of course, brand new baseboard, paint, got that screen door off the door. Go to the bathroom, brand new tile, baseboard, painted the ceilings, walls, actually painted the shower and tub as well. Not pretty good. Looks brand new comparing. Turn around. Go into this first bedroom on the right. Of course, we did brand new hardwood, baseboard, blinds. All paint and patches have been done. Out pretty good. This house is only a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we'll go straight into the master bedroom, which is hardwood. And we went ahead and tiled both bathroom areas, which would be this small one. And then going into there, brand new toilet, which I actually did a video on how to install toilets, if you guys want to see that one. And we got, of course, all the baseboard done, blinds, paint, all patches. Not pretty good. That is about it, you guys. If you guys would like any more videos on how to install stuff or some more before and after videos of mobiles, please let me know. And until next time, see you guys.